Hey, so I wanted to make this quick video for you. Um, so let's just rewind to like this morning. So I woke up and I just happened to be looking at it at this time during this macro. But if you see price action like this, where it just trickles down and then it hits a POI, which is just an hourly fair value gap, nothing crazy. Um, But if you see Asia create the high of the day so far, and you have London make a lower high, and then you just start falling, trending into a POI, um, with some sort of bias, like oh it may be bullish today, whatever. Um, this stuff here is like perfect. Like that's what you want to see for the left side of the curve if you're anticipating a buy model. You just see a bunch of low resistance liquidity, and this just comes from experience watching it happen over and over and over again. Um, like when I see a setup like this where we're just trending basically, like price isn't doing much, making higher lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Um, I'm expecting that all to get ran out and take liquidity here because for one, I don't like seeing Asia make the high of the day. And then for two, we have the low resistance liquidity here that needs to be taken. And we've hit a POI and we have all that stuff on the daily chart take place. So really, when we get to the macro and we start to form a reversal in the POI with all of this above price, I'm like, well, this could be, that could be a day where we just run all that. And it happened to be today. I mean, but really, like, the trade was here to here, the low to 6 a.m. That's plenty. You could just be done and forget about it. But for me, I was like, well, screw it. I'll hold it. Like, I'll put a limit order there at 6 a.m. and just let the rest go. I really didn't even watch price because I'm busy here at work. But um, yeah, I mean, it was just a nice little reversal down there this morning on the 5 second. Um, we had a nice plunge lower and then rebound CSD on the 1 minute, 15 second, or 1 minute and the 5 second. But yeah, I mean, I guess it's more like a daily profile if you want to call it that. But when I see the stuff trickle down into a POI and it's trending, that means that this is all liquidity that's going to get ran. It's engineered liquidity. And then when it proved it as well, like you can think all that and be fine, like okay, whatever, it might do that, but it really was the liquidity today because you can see once we took that high, the reaction that we got. It really made a nice sell after that. Okay, a lot of volume, a lot of volatility, a lot of orders exchanged at that point, and we just fell off a little bit. So, none of this shit's necessary to make money, but like just something to note.